he had what we call a collapse. He was resuscitated back by the son, who is a medical doctor, and then 100 meters to the casualty of the Nairobi hospital, he collapsed again, was rushed to casualty. There was resuscitation, which took quite a bit of time, but they were not able to revive him. That was a short message. What I know is that I must say he was waiting for me, because he had told me some things about his life and these final days. And that has been fulfilled, and I shall continue doing so. He had a premonition and told his wife, I suppose, but he will get it from her, that his time had come, and he was happy, everything was done. He then asked the wife to call the son and also the daughter-in-law. The rest you will get from the wife. And then at that time, he also said he wanted to see me, and the wife did the same. Called the son, called the daughter-in-law, and called me in that series.